1. Gardening. Gardening is an old-fashioned habit that we need to bring back for frugal living. It allows us to grow our own fruits, vegetables, and herbs, reducing our dependence on store-bought produce. By tending to a garden, we can save money on groceries and enjoy the satisfaction of eating fresh, homegrown food. Gardening also promotes sustainability and self-sufficiency as we have more control over the cultivation process and can avoid harmful pesticides and chemicals. Additionally, gardening provides an opportunity for physical activity, stress relief, and connecting with nature. Whether we have a backyard, a small plot, or even just a few pots on a balcony, cultivating a garden brings numerous benefits both for our wallets and our overall well-being. 2. Meal planning. Meal planning is an important old-fashioned habit that we should bring back for frugal living. It involves taking the time to plan out meals in advance, typically for a week or even a month. By creating a meal plan, we can make better use of the ingredients we already have, reducing food waste and saving money on grocery bills. Meal planning also allows us to have a clear idea of what to cook each day, making mealtime less stressful. We can take advantage of sales and discounts, buy in bulk, and prepare meals in larger quantities for leftovers or freezer meals. With meal planning, we can avoid impulse purchases, eat healthier, and have a well-organized kitchen. It's a simple yet effective way to save money while ensuring we have delicious and nutritious meals throughout the week. 3. Cooking from scratch. Cooking from scratch is an old-fashioned habit we need to bring back for frugal living. Instead of relying on prepackaged or processed foods, cooking meals from scratch allows us to take control of our ingredients, flavors, and ultimately our budget. By using whole ingredients and basic pantry staples, we can create delicious and nutritious meals at a fraction of the cost of eating out or purchasing convenience foods. It also enables us to minimize food waste by utilizing leftovers and repurposing ingredients creatively. Moreover, cooking from scratch promotes healthier eating habits as we can avoid excessive salt, sugar, and preservatives commonly found in processed foods. It's a rewarding and cost-effective way to nourish ourselves and our families while embracing the joy of homemade meals. 4. Repairing and mending. Repairing and mending is an old-fashioned habit we should bring back to embrace frugal living. In the past, people would fix and mend items rather than discarding them at the first sign of wear or damage. This practice not only saves money, but also reduces waste and promotes sustainability. By learning basic repair skills or seeking professional help when needed, we can extend the lifespan of clothing, furniture, appliances, and other possessions. Repairing and mending allows us to appreciate the value and craftsmanship of the things we own, fostering a sense of resourcefulness and reducing our dependence on buying new items. Embracing this habit encourages us to be more mindful of our consumption and contributes to a more sustainable and frugal lifestyle. 5. Thrift shopping. Thrift shopping is a wonderful old-fashioned habit that we should bring back for frugal living. It involves exploring thrift stores, consignment shops, garage sales, or online marketplaces to find second-hand treasures at affordable prices. Thrift shopping allows us to save money while also promoting sustainability by giving pre-loved items a new lease on life. Whether it's clothing, furniture, books, or household items, thrift stores often offer a wide variety of options. It's a great way to discover unique and vintage pieces that add character to our homes and wardrobes. By embracing thrift shopping, we not only stretch our budgets, but also contribute to reducing waste and supporting local communities. So let's hop on the thrift shopping trend and enjoy the thrill of finding hidden gems while living frugally and sustainably. 6. Preserving and canning. Preserving and canning is an old-fashioned habit that we should bring back for frugal living. It involves capturing the flavors of the season by preserving fruits, vegetables, and even jams or pickles in jars. This practice allows us to extend the shelf life of perishable foods, reducing waste and saving money. By canning our own produce, we can take advantage of sales or harvests when prices are lower and create a stockpile of homemade goods. Preserved foods are not only economical, but also healthier as they contain no preservatives or additives. Whether it's making homemade jams, pickling cucumbers, or canning tomatoes, the process is rewarding and connects us to traditional methods of food preservation. So let's embrace preserving and canning as a sustainable way to enjoy the flavors of the season throughout the year while saving money in the process. 7. Handwritten notes. One old-fashioned habit that we can bring back is the art of handwritten notes. In today's digital age, where communication is predominantly through text messages and emails, A handwritten note adds a personal touch that can make someone's day. It's a frugal way to express gratitude, love, or support. By taking the time to sit down and write a heartfelt message, we show thoughtfulness and attention to detail. Handwritten notes can be as simple as a thank you card, a birthday greeting, or a just because message. Not only does it save money compared to buying expensive greeting cards, but it also allows us to connect on a more intimate level, showing our loved ones that they are worth the extra effort. Let's revive this beautiful tradition and make someone's day with a handwritten note. 8. DIY home cleaning products. DIY home cleaning products are a wonderful old-fashioned habit we should bring back for frugal living. Instead of relying on expensive store-bought cleaners filled with harsh chemicals, we can create our own effective and budget-friendly cleaning solutions. Simple ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, lemon, and essential oils can be used to make natural cleaners for various household tasks. Vinegar can be mixed with water to clean windows, countertops, and floors, while baking soda works wonders on stubborn stains and odors. Lemon adds a fresh scent and antibacterial properties, and essential oils provide a delightful fragrance. Making our own cleaning products not only saves money, but also reduces our exposure to toxins, promotes environmental sustainability, and allows us to customize scents and ingredients according to our preferences. It's a win-win for our wallets, health, and the planet. 9. Line drying laundry. Line drying laundry is an old-fashioned habit that we should bring back for frugal living. Instead of relying on electric dryers, we can hang our clothes on a clothesline or drying rack. Not only does line drying save money on electricity bills, but it also helps extend the lifespan of our clothes by reducing wear and tear from tumbling in a dryer. Additionally, the sun acts as a natural disinfectant, helping to eliminate odors and bacteria from our laundry. Line drying also contributes to environmental sustainability by reducing energy consumption and carbon emissions associated with electric dryers. It's a simple and cost-effective way to embrace a more frugal and eco-friendly lifestyle while enjoying the fresh scent and crispness of air-dried laundry. 10. Saving and reusing packaging. Saving and reusing packaging is an old-fashioned habit that we should bring back for frugal living. Instead of immediately discarding packaging materials like jars, containers, and boxes, we can give them a new purpose. By cleaning and storing them, we can reuse them for various purposes. Jars can be used for storing homemade jams, pickles, or bulk ingredients. Containers can be repurposed for organizing small items or packing lunches. Sturdy boxes can serve as storage or can be creatively transformed into gift boxes or organizers. Reusing packaging not only saves money by reducing the need to purchase new containers, but also helps reduce waste and contributes to a more sustainable lifestyle. It's a simple yet effective way to be resourceful, minimize our environmental footprint, and embrace the frugal practices of the past. 11. Sewing and knitting. Sewing and knitting are old-fashioned habits that we should consider bringing back for frugal living. These skills allow us to create and repair our own clothing, accessories, and household items. By sewing and knitting, we can repurpose old fabrics and yarns, saving money on buying new items. It also gives us the freedom to customize and tailor garments to our preferences, ensuring a perfect fit. Additionally, these crafts promote sustainability by reducing waste and the need for fast fashion. Sewing and knitting also provide a sense of accomplishment and creativity as we engage in mindful and relaxing activities. By embracing these timeless skills, we not only save money, but also foster self-sufficiency, reduce environmental impact, and tap into our artistic potential. 12. Bartering and trading. Bartering and trading is an old-fashioned frugal habit that we should bring back. It involves exchanging goods or services with others without the need for money. By bartering, we can obtain items or services we need without spending a dime. For example, if you have excess garden produce, you can trade it with a neighbor who has fresh eggs. This practice not only helps us save money, but also builds a sense of community and fosters relationships with others. Bartering and trading allow us to leverage our skills and resources to meet our needs while reducing our dependence on monetary transactions. It's a sustainable and cost-effective way to obtain goods and services, promoting a more frugal and interconnected way of living. 13. Using cash. Using cash is an old-fashioned habit related to frugal living that we should bring back. In a world dominated by credit and debit cards, paying with cash can help us become more mindful of our spending habits. When we use physical currency, we have a tangible representation of our money, making it easier to track our expenses and stay within our budget. Unlike electronic payments, cash provides a visual reminder of our financial limitations, encouraging us to think twice before making impulsive purchases. Additionally, paying with cash eliminates the risk of accumulating debt and interest charges associated with credit cards. By adopting the practice of using cash for our daily transactions, we can better manage our finances, make deliberate spending choices, and ultimately embrace a more frugal lifestyle. 14. Making personal care products. Making personal care products at home is an old-fashioned habit that we should bring back for frugal living. Instead of relying on expensive store-bought products filled with chemicals, we can create our own natural alternatives. Homemade soaps, lotions, and beauty products can be made using simple ingredients like coconut oil, essential oils, and herbs. Not only does this save money, but it also allows us to customize products to suit our individual needs. We can avoid unnecessary packaging waste and reduce exposure to potentially harmful chemicals found in commercial products. Additionally, making personal care items can be a fun and creative process, empowering us to take control of our self-care routines while embracing a more sustainable and budget-friendly lifestyle. 15. Enjoying simple pleasures. Enjoying simple pleasures is an old-fashioned habit that we should bring back in our lives for frugal living. It encourages us to find joy in the little things and appreciate the beauty of simplicity. Instead of constantly seeking expensive entertainment or material possessions, we can embrace activities that don't cost much or anything at all. Taking a leisurely stroll in nature, reading a good book from the library, having a picnic in the park, playing board games with loved ones, or enjoying a homemade meal with family and friends are all simple pleasures that bring genuine happiness without breaking the bank. By prioritizing these moments of contentment, we not only save money, but also cultivate a sense of gratitude and fulfillment. So let's reconnect with the joy of simple living and rediscover the richness in life's uncomplicated moments. 16. Sharing resources. Sharing resources is an old-fashioned habit that we need to bring back for frugal living. It involves collaborating with neighbors, friends, or community members to share tools, equipment, or other resources instead of each person owning their own. By sharing resources, we can significantly reduce costs and avoid unnecessary purchases. For example, if multiple households share a lawnmower, everyone benefits from not having to buy and maintain individual lawnmowers. The same principle applies to other items like kitchen appliances, gardening tools, or recreational equipment. Sharing resources not only saves money, but also promotes a sense of community as it encourages communication, cooperation, and building relationships with those around us. It's a practical and sustainable way to embrace frugal living while fostering a stronger and more connected community. 17. DIY home repairs. DIY home repairs are an old-fashioned habit that we should bring back to embrace frugal living. In the past, people took pride in maintaining and fixing things themselves rather than relying on costly professional services. By learning basic home repair skills, such as fixing leaky faucets, patching drywall, or replacing a broken tile, we can save a significant amount of money on repair bills. DIY home repairs also empower us to take control of our living spaces, increase self-sufficiency, and build practical skills. Additionally, tackling small maintenance tasks ourselves not only saves money, but also instills a sense of accomplishment and resourcefulness. So let's dust off our toolboxes, roll up our sleeves, and reclaim the satisfaction of DIY home repairs as a valuable frugal living habit. 18. Mindful energy consumption. Mindful energy consumption is an important old-fashioned habit we need to bring back for frugal living. It involves being conscious of our energy usage and taking steps to reduce waste. By turning off lights when not in use, unplugging devices that are not actively being used, and using natural light whenever possible, we can save on electricity costs and conserve energy. Simple actions like adjusting thermostats to appropriate temperatures, insulating windows and doors, and using energy-efficient appliances can also make a significant impact on our energy consumption. Additionally, being mindful of water usage by taking shorter showers, fixing leaks promptly, and using efficient water fixtures helps us conserve resources and reduce water bills. Practicing mindful energy consumption not only saves money, but also contributes to a more sustainable and environmentally friendly lifestyle. 19. Batch cooking. Batch cooking is an old-fashioned habit that we should bring back to embrace frugal living. It involves preparing large quantities of meals in one go, typically on a designated day, and then freezing or refrigerating them for future consumption. By batch cooking, we save both time and money. It allows us to take advantage of bulk purchases, seasonal produce, and sales, maximizing our savings. With pre-cooked meals readily available, we avoid the temptation of ordering takeout or dining out, which can be costly. Batch cooking also reduces food waste since we can portion and store meals appropriately. It's a convenient way to ensure we always have a homemade, nutritious meal on hand, even on busy days. Embracing this habit not only helps us save money, but also promotes healthier eating and reduces stress in the kitchen. 20. Embracing hand-me-downs. Embracing hand-me-downs is an old-fashioned frugal habit we should bring back. It involves accepting and using items that have been passed down from family, friends, or even within the community. Whether it's clothing, furniture, kitchenware, or toys, hand-me-downs offer a practical and cost-effective way to acquire what we need. By embracing these pre-loved items, we not only save money, but also reduce waste and promote sustainability. Hand-me-downs often carry sentimental value and stories, adding a unique touch to our homes and lives. It also encourages a sense of community and fosters connections through the act of sharing and giving. Embracing hand-me-downs allows us to appreciate the beauty of reusing, stretching the lifespan of items, and living a frugal lifestyle while embracing the spirit of generosity and gratitude. By adopting these old-fashioned frugal habits, we not only save money, but also develop a deeper appreciation for resourcefulness, sustainability, and a simpler way of life.